unboxing, and excited I found Jerry. So stay tuned for the unboxing and let's get started. It's Rachel with Pretty and Plants, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. Oh, this is one of the boxes. It's not small, I have to admit. This is from my friend Jerry, who's on speed dial. I cannot wait to put his link down below. I found him on YouTube. It's what kind of inspired me to do plants in my house. Okay. Oh, look at this plant. Are you kidding me? It's incredible. It's called the Starfish Sansevieria. It's a 6-inch. I got it for $21, and I just fell in love. Look at the thick. One of the kind of encouraging things that I found on the internet about it is it's impossible to kill. So those words, I thought, you and I can be friends. Actually, let me get one more show and tell. My planter, see this right here? You see the doodad? It's gonna go up. As I water, the little floaty thing goes up to the red line. Any plant that I have in one of these planters does really, really, really well. I've converted to semi-hydro. It's in the little leca balls. It's basil, and it's doubled in size in 5 days. Absolute magic if you kill plants really, really easily. And if you're horrible at taking care of your plants, if you forget to water them, if you travel a lot, but you want plants, honey, get yourself some of these little things. Just beautiful. All of their planters are very stylized and European looking. They're very expensive. They're very expensive. And so, but they come in really giant sizes. So I got a really, really big one for, you can kind of see my fiddle leaf fig behind me. I raised a fiddle leaf fig in the lechuza planter for 5 years, and it not only survived but thrived. That's the backstory. I found Jerry on YouTube, and so this is my unboxing. Is some stuff I got from Jerry. So excited. What's really cool about this, about Jerry, is the semi-hydro part. Okay, so I love little leopard, lots of life, okay? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pull out a couple of things I got from Jerry. Okay, so I'm like so excited, guys. I'm very emotional about this because it's a dream come true, and I'm not kidding. Okay, so these are his outer pots. Let's get them apart. I think these are the 9-inch. They're shiny and pretty, like a plastic bucket. That's your cash pot or your outside pot, okay? And you don't have to order that part, right? Is awesome. So this is what's so expensive from lechuza, is that outer part and the concept. Magic right here. This is the doodad. And so what you can order from Jerry is for pretty cheap. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So see that? It's just gonna go up the side, and bam, you have a pot with the lines. See the lines on there? And when you water this plant, I'm gonna try really, really hard. I know he's trying to pack it nicely, but come on, Jerry. Where are you when I need you? Oh, so cute. This one's cute. Okay, this is a better example. So this is the outside and the inside. Made in Germany. That's kind of cool. Such a cool concept. I absolutely, if you are a plant killer like me, you will so appreciate this. This is the 4-inch pot, and there's the doodad. And that, a plant in here. When I stick my plant in here, I'm gonna repot some plants on the next show. And put my water in there. That's it. It's just, the thing's gonna raise up, it's gonna be watered, and then in a week or 2 weeks or whatever, it's gonna need to be watered again. And it's pretty foolproof. The other part is, when they grow in this, you have to feed them, and I'm kind of working with that right now. It's pretty simple, not really hard. So anyway, I got some 4-inch pots, 9-inch pots. He sent me a bunch of leca, maybe. Leca is a product, the clay aggregate balls. So all of these boxes, I got 2 boxes from him, and they're just more of the same. It's gonna be the pots, the aggregate, and the little doodads that pop up. And then I also got from him just these little clear. So if you already have I have a lot of pretty white planters. I have a lot of the leca. I have 50 liters of leca actually. So I could hypothetically from him, if you go to his website, you just go to components, you can just get this part and this part and then nest it inside of like a plastic thing inside of your pot. Like if you already have a really pretty pot, that's all you need, people. I'm so excited. The Optimum and then the Max. So the Optimum is for sure when you first start out, you just want your plant to kind of get the idea that it's not in dirt. It's kind of like going from a carb burner to a keto diet and being a fat burner. So once your plant is excited about this concept, then you can kind of get a little more aggressive with your watering. Just like my basil here, it's totally in love with the concept. It took it about 3 to 5 days. It was really quick. It has grown tons of new roots. I actually might have to go ahead and put it in the ground because I can't keep up. Like I watered it to the max and it's already gone down. It's just drinking and drinking and drinking. So it's a great way to get like cuttings started if you're if you want to do like cuttings and make them big and then move them. I personally want to move all the plants in my house, including that big fiddle leaf fig behind me, into leca and into one of these kinds of pots. That pot is definitely too small. I don't know what I'm going to do about the fiddle leaf fig. I've already kind of got some leca in the bottom of it, and when I transport it out, I'm going to just take out all its dirt and put it all in leca. I will do a video on that. So I hope y'all enjoy this unboxing, and I can't wait to see y'all next time on Pretty in Plants.